my name's Ian Brennan and welcome to Magician's Advice Recommends. Today we haven't got a recommends video as normal. Today is an unboxing. And this box is from Vanishing Inc. It goes that way up. There we go. Oh, Vanishing Inc box. Inside there, I know what's inside, but I thought I'd share it with you because when it arrived, I saw the size of the box and you get excited when you see a big box like this, don't you? I know what's inside of this, and I'm hoping that when I open it up, it's going to be as impressive as the box and the way it feels. Because I know sometimes if you get a parcel from Amazon, the box will be huge, and you open it up and it's a printer cartridge or something. It's tiny. I'm hoping the box matches the thing that's inside. I wonder what you think it is. Maybe you've read the description, maybe you know already. But this is quite a treat for me. First clue, it's not a big stage prop, it's not a big magic prop. This is a book. Can you guess which book? I don't know, let's see. Let's go into this here. In fact, should I better open it from the front, just in case it's packed in a special way there. Down here, we've got our scissors. Oh, we've got a polystyrene. I'm hoping, I hope there's something in there now after all of this. Also, anyway, okay, it's not as big as I was thinking it'd be bigger because of the box, but it is a good size. Has a good weight. Parlor Tricks by Morgan & West. Let's have a little look. I hope Vosh and Bosch pads play nicely with polystyrene. I'm sure they do. Right, Parlor Tricks by Morgan & West. The reason I'm not going to do a review on this is we've already done a review on this book. Dan Slater has done one already, so check it out in our playlist and he tells you all about why you need to get this book. Why have I just got this book? Well, it was out of print. The book wasn't available. We've got Morgan & West, well, we had Morgan & West on our podcast a few weeks back. They're great chaps, love speaking with them. I know how much Dan rates this book, so I thought I've got to get it myself. I spoke with Morgan & West, I spoke with Andy Gladwin over at Vanishing Inc, got on a waiting list on there. And then when it came out, it was first thing in my cart, had to pick it up. These are going to sell out again, so if you're after one, get it quick. Let's take off the wrapper and let's have a look inside. The exciting part of always, what's the book going to be like? Is it going to be text heavy? Is it going to have pictures? And I imagine this is going to have pictures in there. Are the pictures going to all be black and white? Are they going to be full page pictures? Oh, come on. Do I get the scissors on? No, I'm not going to get the scissors on it. I daren't risk it. You've seen those scissors. They're like proper kitchen shears. There's no messing around with them. Okay, we're in. Now, some people say books smell a certain way when you get a brand new book. Smell like a book. Lovely soft feel on the front. I love the gold inlay. That's gorgeous. Oh, wow. And you're greeted when you open it up. And the inside, front and back, have a full picture of Morgan & West stage set. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. They've got their own swirly headings and a text font for Rebecca and Emma. And there's a link in there to watch the full show, which is brilliant. I'm not going to share that on the video just in case, because it shouldn't be. But there's a link in there on the very first page to watch the entire show. And then there's forwards, there's a bit about the magic they've done. Let's see, oh great, look at that. The routines explained in lovely detail with pictures as well. Alright, let me just flick through some of this for you on the camera here. Look at that. Gorgeous looking book. You see, you don't mind spending a bit more on a book when it's got that much working material that this has, and I know it has because Dan told me, and you don't mind it when it's produced as beautifully as this. And Vanishing Inc have got a brilliant reputation for producing books, haven't they? It's got your bookmark in it, fully colour printed. Yeah, that is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. What's the page count? 350 pages in there, give or take one or two. Yeah, If you're not sure what the book is, well, the book is their full parlour show explained. They've got a video link at the start for you to watch their parlour show. Then the book goes through it with a fine-tooth comb and goes through all the details, but not just the individual tricks, the why. So why do they do this? Why is the card to bottle in such a way that it is? Why is the ring in a bag, I think, one of the routines? Why is that the way it is? I haven't had a chance to watch the video yet or look at it, but I'm really excited to see a bit more information. Morgan & West, I've got my utter respect. They came and did a podcast with us a few weeks back, and they were brilliant guests. They gave us loads of useful tips and information, and I know they inspired myself and Phil, the other host, to go off and do our own parlour shows, which I was already sort of doing before lockdown, but we're now taking up to the next step as well. If you're interested in Morgan & West, if you're interested in parlour tricks, the book is available again now. Check it out at Vanishing Inc before it runs out of stock. That's all from me for today. See you again soon. Bye-bye. I've been doing a lot more reading during lockdown. I've reread a few of my older books, and I've just got into The Magic Ray by Van Tyrese. So I'll let you know how that goes as well. That's a really good read so far. I'll finish that one up. I'll do parlour tricks, and then I'll let you know what you need to know about them. That's all for this little video clip. See you again soon. Bye-bye.